Do you want to create videos but don't want to be on camera? I understand. I'm going to share 5 tips on how to make YouTube videos without showing your face and still deliver amazing, highly sought out, valuable videos that your audience can't get enough of. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sara Nguyen, and on this channel I make tech and social media easier for awesome entrepreneurs like yourself. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for all of the latest product reviews, social media tips and training. A common belief that people have about making videos, whether they're live streaming on Facebook or Instagram stories or making YouTube videos, is that you have to actually be on camera in order to create a great video, to build a connection and deliver your message. And I understand why you may think this. When you look at popular YouTubers, they're typically spending a lot of time vlogging or talking to the camera, and you see their face everywhere. However, if you think back to videos that you watched that were extremely memorable or helpful, these may not have necessarily been talking head or face-to-camera videos. They may have been videos where the creator's face wasn't on the screen the whole time, as they showed you steps to do something. So let's get into the 5 super easy but effective ways to create highly valuable videos without being on camera. And if you're camera shy or introvert, these methods can help you break into video without having to completely expose yourself, so to speak. Number 1, my personal favorite, screen recordings. One of my most popular YouTube videos is a tutorial I recorded on how to create a Facebook page. Apart from the introduction and end screen, 99% of that video was a recording on my computer, stepping a user through the process from start to finish of setting up a Facebook page. I used ScreenFlow as my screen recording software and my Rode NT USB microphone plugged into my MacBook. And that's all I needed to create a video that directly helps users by teaching them how to do what they need. And it also positions me as the go-to person with the knowledge and expertise without really ever having to show my face. Your screen recordings can be anything from software tutorials to how-to tutorials, workflow demonstrations, or even product reviews. If you're using Facebook Live, you can share your desktop using the native Facebook Live functionality, or you can use third-party software such as OBS or Ecamm Live. ScreenFlow is a software that I personally use and love. It's a Mac app and packed with features. Camtasia is the PC equivalent and it's also a good choice. Presentations. Similar to screen recordings, another way of creating video without having to show your face on camera is to use information slides as your visual and to talk to the content in your presentation. You can use software such as PowerPoint, Keynote, or Canva to create beautiful presentations without much design skill required at all. And then you present and record. Google Slides is also free and allows you to create pro-looking presentations easily so you can focus on the content. And these presentation videos don't have to be like the boring university lectures that put students to sleep. Without the pressure of being on camera, you can add as much personality as you can spare to entertain your audience. You can use captivating images and photography and videos to tell stories. If you're live streaming on Facebook and you want to use a presentation, you can do this by sharing your desktop and going through the presentation as if you were presenting in person. To record a presentation using screen recording software, you can use ScreenFlow or Camtasia, as I mentioned earlier in this video. There are lots of free browser plugins that also record your screen that you can use. Animation. I came across a video from Susan, the CEO of YouTube. The entire video was not her presenting directly to camera, which was what I was kind of expecting. Instead, it was her reading a script and the whole visual was animations. Animations specifically telling the story of what she was saying. Now you may be thinking YouTube has a much bigger budget than I do, and this is probably true. However, you can use animation tools like Adobe Animate that allows you to create an animated character and use this character in your Facebook live streams or videos. It's a pretty interesting concept, and technically you don't have to be on camera, your character is. There is a little bit of work involved, but it's possible and the technology is available to everyone now. You can also hire animators on Upwork or Fiverr to help you with creating the animation if you need. Product demos. With product demos, you can get away with not being on camera by showcasing the product in your video. You can have different angles of the product as you talk about it, and you can use your hands to show its features and how to use it. It's face-free, but still extremely high value. This works particularly well for tech reviews, and you can also extend it to most products. Stock elements. You can use stock images and stock videos as the visuals in your video as you talk to a script or content. This may sound boring, but a lot of podcasters use this as a way of repurposing their audio to YouTube, and it's more engaging than you may think. Lots of people will watch or listen to a video in the background as they're doing something else. You can also get stock images from paid marketplaces such as Deposit Photos, which is what I personally use, Getty Images, which is expensive but has beautiful images. There are also free stock libraries out there as well. And there are also royalty-free video sites such as Storyblocks that have video footage you can purchase and use in your videos. So there you have it, my tips on how to make videos without having to be on camera. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for more ways to grow your business online, download my social media checklist. I outline all of the things you need to do to get up and running on social media, so you can start leveraging the power of social to make more sales with ease. To get your hands on it, simply click on the link in the description box below, and thanks for watching.